Damn, dude, you made this?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be doing a review on the Stillen Gen 3 intakes I installed the other day, so let's get into it. So if you've been thinking about getting some aftermarket intakes and you don't know which brand to go with, man, I will definitely recommend you to get some Stillen Gen 3 Longtube intakes, not the short rims that stop right here, but the long tubes. The reason why I recommend these is because before, with my stock air boxes on, the car definitely felt less restricted just because of my exhaust system. But other than that, it felt like I was missing something. Once I installed these, my throttle has been way more responsive, way more. So every time I step on the throttle, just a little tap, the car is ready to go. Also, one thing I noticed about having these long tube intakes on my car is that my car does run a little lean, not too much, but it does run a little lean, and it eats up gas something crazy, so crazy. But other than that, I do love it, so I don't mind, and I'll be getting tuned. I should be starting my freaking remote tune in the next day or two, so y'all stay tuned on that too, because I'm gonna record that and bring y'all through that whole process. But my car has been eating a lot of gas since I installed these intakes. But once I get tuned, that problem will be solved. So other than that, yo, Stillen definitely showed out when they made these for the Infinity Nissan platform. They know what they was doing. They know what the car needed and wanted. So, yo, go and order you some Stillen Gen 3 intakes. If not Stillen, I heard Z1 is pretty good. And if you don't want 2.5 piping, you could go with some of these tuners that sell their own brand intakes. I know Admin sells his, and UPT, and others that I don't know the names of. I apologize, but yeah, man. So I'm really loving these intakes. So let's take y'all on a ride. We're gonna hit these back roads, and I'll give y'all a couple revs and all that before we pull off. And we're gonna do some 3K pulls, 4K pulls, and third, fourth, and fifth gear, just to show y'all what these intakes doing. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Let's get these pulls and these nice comparisons real quick, just to show y'all what to expect when you guys get these or install these onto your G37. I got it. Motherfucker speeding. But this second gear. My favorite back row here, I ain't gonna lie. So this is my third gear pull right here. Let's get it down to RPM to even 3K. Real responsive. Throttle doesn't hesitate or nothing. The car moves and goes as soon as you step on it. Like, that's one thing I wanted and needed when I first got this car. It moved and everything, but when I stepped on it, it didn't go like how I wanted to go. It shoot up in RPMs and get it like the stock way. So that's one thing I like about it that it does now, that when I step on it, it goes. So whatever gear you put it in and you want it to go, it's gonna go, especially when you got these intakes up here, man. So, yo, go on your laptop, go on your Safari on your phone or your Google Chrome, and go purchase you some long tube intakes. I'm telling you, you ain't gonna regret it. Like, these shits, go get them. Real talk. I did say I was gonna get the 3 inches, but after pause. But after I thought about it, I'm like, yo, it don't really make a difference to just gain an extra 5 to 10 wheel horsepower. I'm not out here to think I'm the fastest G out here. You feel me? I'm doing this all for my own preference, for my everything I like. Almost at 3K RPMs. I like to do pulls like 3K. You feel me? Just because it gets the car to really be in like the little power band. Learn your car too. But you see that, and that's probably like 25% throttle too. Like, it's moving. You feel me? You get up too. So yeah, man, that's all I got to say about these Longtube Stillen Gen 3 intakes. They're great. They're wonderful. You will waste your gas if you ain't tuned, but if you tuned and all that other stuff, you should be straight. But man, as long as you driving your car, you happy and you smiling, that's all that really matters. Like, real talk. And I use the brake pedal too, like that. Slow down better. Fifth pull too. All these shits pull like every year. All of them pull. So let me end this video. It's your boy Mo. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you comment down below too. Let me know what you think, man. Tap in. Tell me where you from, where you at. Like, something, man. Comment down below. But it's your boy Mo. Thank you for watching, and I'm out. Peace.